At the heart of the orthopat system technology is the patented dynamic disc, in which the shed red blood cells are concentrated and washed. The dynamic disc separation chamber consists of a stationary plastic top that attaches the inlet and effluent tubing to a rotating base. The bottom of the disc is an elastic silicone diaphragm. It allows the separation chamber to change size and shape while it is spinning. The dynamic disc is installed into the centrifuge so that it forms an airtight chamber underneath the disc. During the intra-op or post-op processing cycle, the orthopat system automatically performs the following steps. When the system recognizes that there is enough fluid in the reservoir, it opens the inlet valve between the reservoir and disc and creates a vacuum under the disc in the centrifuge. The elastic diaphragm is pulled away from the rigid top, creating suction to the reservoir. Blood is drawn into the slowly spinning disc in 100 milliliter batches. When the disc is full, the inlet valve closes and the centrifuge speed increases to separate the red blood cells from the supernatant. The heavier red cells are moved to the outer edge of the disc by centrifugal force, leaving the supernatant towards the center. Once separation is complete, the centrifuge speed decreases and the effluent valve opens to the waste bag. The supernatant is expressed into the waste bag by pressurizing under the disc. The red cell sensor in the header arm detects when red blood cells start to exit the disc and closes the effluent valve. The concentrated red cells remain in the disc, and the system initiates the wash cycle. The inlet valve opens to allow saline to fill the disc. The centrifuge slows to resuspend the red blood cells in saline, and then increases its speed to separate the red blood cells from the wash solution. When the cells are concentrated and separation is complete, the centrifuge speed slows, the effluent valve opens, and air pressure is applied under the disc to express the supernatant into the waste bag. This time, when red blood cells are detected by the red cell sensor, the system switches the effluent valve to express the washed packed red cells into the RBC bag. The system is able to wash whatever volume of red blood cells is present in each disc of fluid pulled from the reservoir. If the volume of red cells in the incoming fluid is very low, under 10% hematocrit, the system may concentrate several batches of blood before washing. Regardless of the volume of red blood cells in the shed blood, the orthopat system consistently provides high hematocrit washed red blood cells for transfusion to the patient.